If your vehicle's new or well maintained, the Pinnacle Souveran Sizzling Shine Kit contains everything you need to make your paint glisten. With this kit, you'll receive Souverän Paste Wax along with all the necessary towels and applicators needed to apply and remove the wax. When you apply Souverän, it's imperative that you use the Pinnacle Paintwork Cleansing Lotion first, as this preps the surface and removes previously applied waxes and sealants. The price of Souverän and Paintwork Cleansing Lotion, purchased a la carte, nearly equals the price of this kit. This kit is a great bargain because not only does it include Souverän and Paintwork Cleansing Lotion, it also includes Crystal Mist Detail Spray and Bodywork Shampoo, two essential products for maintaining the finish created by Souverän. Souverän is known for its ease of use and for the three-dimensional shine that it creates. Believe it or not, a single jar is enough for up to 30 applications, making it one of the best values in car care. Whether you're purchasing Souverän for the first time or simply restocking your collection, this kit represents a huge bargain because you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.